I'm Professor Chris McGuigan. I work at the School of Pharmacy in Cardiff. There's never been a better time to do life science in Wales. The hub is really exciting. It's a central pillar of our whole strategy. What we've decided to do is have a physical space. Here it is. We purposefully chose Cardiff Bay to be in the thriving capital city of Cardiff, within a stone's throw of the Senedd, the seat of power here, because we want government to be involved. If we think about who's going to be in the hub, the Arthurian Life Science Fund will be there, Fusion will be there, Finance Wales will be there, so financiers. If you want to pitch an idea, this will be the true Dragon's Den. So everything you need will be there, open July 2014. It will become the nerve centre for all of life science in Wales. If you're in life science and you're in Wales, you will need to be in the hub.